The UC Personal Insight question number 1. Describe an example of your leadership experience in which you have positively influenced others, helped resolve disputes, or contributed to group efforts over time. When we hear leadership, our mind is programmed to think of a leader, which is absolutely true. But this PIQ is looking beyond just the title of leader. Anyone could have that title, but it takes a true leader to step up, to take responsibility, or to inspire. But how do you define the term of leader? What characteristics do you feel describe a leader? Do you feel that you identify with these characteristics or that they apply to you? If so, how? Pick 1 or 2 times in your life where you took the lead. Maybe you volunteered for the position or it was given to you. Just remember, leadership and being a leader can be expressed at home, at work, in the classroom, or even in the community. What came from your leadership? Did you feel successful or overwhelmed? Were you excited or unsure of yourself? How did you push through? Was it an experience where you felt that the outcome connected to your major or your career interests? Was it an experience where you learned more about yourself and your wants? What were your accomplishments? And what do you feel you learned from this leadership experience? It's completely okay if you found that you never want to be a CEO because of your experience. The importance of this question is to identify when you saw that something needed to be done and you took that responsibility on. Being in a leadership position is difficult, but the fact that you handled that role and learned from your experiences is equally important. If you find that this question doesn't appeal to you or that maybe this isn't a question that you can write about, that's no problem. Don't feel that you're stuck answering this question since there are 6 others to choose from, so take the time to explore your other options. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.